Today I am reviewing Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 1016 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're a serious gamer or content creator looking for ultimate desktop-level performance in a portable form factor, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 1016-inch gaming laptop is one of the most powerful options on the market in 2025. This laptop is engineered for gamers, streamers, and creative professionals who demand top-tier performance without compromise. From the moment you power it on, the Legion Pro 7i makes it clear that Lenovo has left no stone unturned in crafting a machine designed to dominate. Let's start with the performance powerhouse inside. The Legion Pro 7i is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, featuring a massive 24-core setup, split into 8 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores, and capable of reaching boost speeds up to 5.4 GHz. This processor handles the most demanding applications with ease. Whether you're running AAA games, rendering 3D graphics, or performing intensive video editing tasks, this laptop keeps everything running smoothly and efficiently. Pair that with 64 GB of DDR5 6400 RAM and 2 blazing fast 1TB NVMe SSDs in RAID 0 for a total of 2 TB, and you have virtually limitless multitasking capabilities and lightning fast storage access for games, apps, and large media files. Gaming performance is equally impressive. The laptop comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7 GPU, offering incredible graphics rendering power. Ray tracing, AI-driven features, and high-fidelity textures are handled effortlessly. Gamers will appreciate the 16-inch WQXGA OLED display, which delivers a 240Hz refresh rate, 500 nits brightness, 100% DCI-P3 coverage, and Dolby Vision support. This ensures ultra-smooth visuals with vibrant colors and deep contrast, perfect for competitive gaming or immersive single-player adventures. The display also supports G-SYNC, minimizing screen tearing and latency, giving a real edge in fast-paced games. On the connectivity front, the Legion Pro 7i is a dream. With Thunderbolt 4, multiple USB ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 7 support, you can connect all your peripherals, high-speed storage devices, or external monitors without compromise. It also includes a high-quality 5MP webcam with electronic shutter, making it ideal for streaming or professional video calls. Lenovo has not ignored ergonomics and user comfort. The per-key RGB backlit keyboard is responsive, durable, and visually stunning, allowing full customization for gaming or work. Cooling performance has been finely tuned so that even under heavy loads, the laptop stays cool and quiet, ensuring long gaming sessions or productivity marathons without throttling performance. The 400W slim tip adapter also ensures consistent power delivery for uninterrupted play or work. For content creators, this machine is just as impressive. The massive memory, ultra-fast storage, and accelerated processing allow for smooth 4K video editing, 3D modeling, and real-time rendering. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or designer, this laptop provides desktop-grade performance with the mobility of a laptop. To sum it up, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is not just a gaming laptop, it's a complete powerhouse. With its top-tier Intel Ultra 9 processor, NVIDIA RTX 5080 graphics, 64 GB RAM, and 2 TB ultra-fast SSD storage, it handles everything from gaming to creative work with absolute ease. Add the 16-inch WQXGA OLED 240Hz display, advanced cooling, and premium build, and this laptop is one of the best 16-inch gaming machines available in 2025. If you're looking for unmatched performance, seamless multitasking, and immersive visuals, the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is an investment that will pay off for years, whether for gaming, content creation, or high-end professional work.